That's a trout. That's a trout. Morning, guys. Dwayne Lulu here with Spots and Dots, and super crazy low tide. It's been really cold the last few days in the mornings, and I've been working. And there's been some nice days, and there's been some ugly days with the wind and whatnot. But today's the first day that I've gotten where I could be off, and I'm gonna go after it and see what happens. So again, really low tide, and I think it's still kind of falling. I'm sure. I've never even looked at what was happening with the tide, but y'all know how I am. I don't let those kind of things determine whether I'm going to go fishing or not. So that's why I really don't even pay attention to them. So we're going to get after them. Trout, maybe some redfish. I don't know yet. It's going to be a lot of areas I'm just not going to be able to get to because the water's really low. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we're going to catch some fish for y'all today, and hopefully we'll see y'all out there when we're catching some fish. You all right? This wind is supposed to start picking up today. I don't know when. There was actually some more showers might be coming as well. I don't know. The bugs are terrible, so maybe the wind will help with that, but it's actually supposed to get like real windy, and that I don't like. We'll see. Oh, already got a hit, people. Already got a hit. That's what's up. I like that. I didn't catch him, but I got the hit. Y'all know I've said many times about passing people. So this guy, like, y'all see how much room we got right here? It's not a lot, but this guy knows he can pass on that side, and he saw me casting over here. That's all I was trying to say last time. I'm not trying to tell anybody where to go, but as a fisherman knows. Very cool move.
Right thing to do, right?
That's right, it is. I'm explaining that on my camera right now. So yeah, like I said, he saw me casting over here. Not that I was catching anything, I just got here. But nonetheless, what he did was really awesome. Plenty of room to pass right there. Maybe a little bit bigger boat can't. Might be a little too shallow for them, but that's all I'm talking about, guys. That's all I'm talking about. That was awesome. That was really cool. And that's what I and I even told someone, people that are fishermen kind of get it. If you're just a boater, they don't get it, and that's fine. It's just the way it is, Nothing to be mad about. You just try to explain it to people, and that's all you can do. That's all you can do. First fishy. Not big, but he's here. All right, guys. So this is my Shimano Corrado 151 HG 7.2 gear ratio. This is a H2O Express Ethos rod, medium fast. I got a 1/8 ounce matrix screw lock jig head with a matrix shad magneto. All right, heavier jig head. This is a 1/4 ounce. This is my Shimano Corrado 151. It's just 151 is all it is. It's a SLX DC. They're all SLX DCs, but there's no HG or anything like that. So this is a 6.3 gear ratio. This is on a Shimano GLF medium fast action rod. And I switched this just for a little bit heavier jig head for now. And I got the Matrix 3X shad purple Patagonia. I don't feel like a trout. It feels different. Well, it is. Just a little one. A white trout at that. Here's a white trout. It's not bad for a white trout. Gotta do better than this, guys. Golly. This is cray-cray. Might be a red. This might be a red. Oh, God, right for that trolling motor. Can't have that. Look at the spots on him too, boy. Oh, oh, I foul hooked him. Had him foul hooked. Pulled it when I tried to lift him. Oh well. All right, guys, this is my Pin Squall 200. I can't really read what it's like a 27-inch per turn retrieve. It's like a, I don't know. I can't really read it. 6.6 or something like that gear ratio. But I got this on my G Loomis E6X. I think this is a medium heavy. Yep, medium heavy. And I got this on a 3/8 jig right now. Screw lock, matrix screw lock, and a matrix 3X shad limelight. Another fish. I say it is. What we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's up? What's up? God. That's a stud. I did not even feel that fish. He swallowed it too. Whoo, look at that. Way down yonder. That's an 18-inch fish maybe. $18 3/4. Gorgeous. Nice. Not crazy, but it's all right. Oh, right there, dude. Right there. Oh, then the rain started. Come on, rain. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Oh, you know, just now quit again. We'll be ready. Right there. They are right there, dude. They're right there. That's the second one. I think I got a fish on that thing already. Unless it's dragging the bottom. But I think it's a fish. Let's go see what's happening. I'll put a line out the back just to let it troll. And it's going poop, 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 poop. It is. Look at that. Tank old fish. Little bitty one, but still a fish. Unbelievable. Well, well, well. I didn't have that thing out long at all. I don't even know if it made it. I made it to the front of the boat after I casted it. Take it. We'll take it. Small, like the smalls. Gotta work through the smalls to get the bigs. Gone. Oh, that's a good one. That's a better one. I gotta slow my roll. Gotta slow my roll, guys. Oh, there's just one nice one on the back, too. Well, I say nice. I don't know what it was back there, but this is a good one. It's definitely a gooder one. Lay that down. Lock her in. Oh, that's a nice fish. Let's see what happened on that back line. Something hit it for sure. And it got away. That's probably 16-inch trout. 16 and a half. Let you go, baby. No, it's not. It's not. That ain't bad, though. Ain't bad. Good one. Be close to a keeper, I don't know yet. It might be a keeper's. That's close. You will see. Decent trout. It's gonna be right at 15 if it is. It is, right? 15. Good deal. 15 it is. Good fish. Oh, I found one fish. Let's see. Foul hook is pulling upside with you. Oh well. As soon as it hit, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Very nice fish. How you hooked, baby? I don't know. I ain't gonna chance it, guys. I know I've been boat lifting them, but I want to get as many nice ones in here as I can. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, another, I don't know, 18 inches or so. Gorgeous fish. Another one that swallowed it. Oh, just under 18, 17 3/4. Bye-bye. This is the Matrix 3X shad, purple Patagonia. Nope, another foul hooked one. God dog. I gotta keep getting foul hooked. That's cray cray. Making me think it's a nice fish. Bad at all. He's just shy of 15. I don't know, maybe he's 13. 13 or 14. Not bad. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That might be a keeper. Oh, we barely hooked too. Barely hooked, guys. Barely hooked. Come on. No. He's gonna be just barely legal if he is, but he's a nice one. He's a nice one. Nah, he was not just barely. He was almost 16. 15 and a half, 15 and a quarter, somewhere in there. Decent little trout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here. Oh, I swallowed it too. All these nice trout that I've caught today have swallowed it. Gorgeous trout. This one could be pushing 20. We'll see. It's fat. She's definitely chunky. I'm not sure if it's quite 20, but it's definitely the biggest one of the day. Maybe not the longest, but she's fat. Yeah, 19. Another 19. Good deal. That's a good one, huh? I believe it is. Is he hooked good? Can't tell. Good one. Yep, 15. A little over 15. Yeah. Getting bigger. We're getting bigger. Oh God. Oh, a redfish. That's why. I missed one earlier because I tried to do that right there. Let's see. He's not 18, he's close. Very close. We'll see. Oh, I lied. 17. That's a nice trout right there, boys. He came straight up. Now it's feeling like a red, so we'll see. But he came straight to the top first. Yeah, it's a red. God dog. I was hoping that was a trout. Because he sure came straight to the top. Just like him. But he's not. Still not a slot red. 17. There you go. That's a trout. That's a trout. Now my camera's all messed up from the rain. Sorry about that, guys. No. Big old trout. Try to clear this off for you. Gorgeous trout. There we go. About 17 and a half. Whoop. Cappy tat. Oh yeah. Switched to Matrix Mega Ultraviolet. I've been using that, caught the last few fish on that. Another nice trout. Go, 15. Woo! Might done close to a limit by now, I don't know. Lost my still camera. I don't know what happened to it. It just shut down. Hopefully my chest camera's running. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep it short. Wasn't a bad day. Caught some nice trout. Not sure how many. Got to go through the video and figure it out. But this was Dwayne Lulu with Spots and Dots. Till next time, guys. We out.